welcome to my channel. This is Chris Tutor, and what I do is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And you're watching my video for the first time, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. Right now I want to solve this problem that you have on the screen, and that's to do with the application of the principles of tangency. So what we have here for this object, what we have here, so we have this rectangle of length 112 millimeters, and then we have the width of it to be 25 millimeters, and distance from here to here. So for this arc that we have here, so the distance from this end to this end for the center line of this arc is 10 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 100 millimeters. So we have the radius of this arc to be 9 millimeters, the radius of this semicircle is 8 millimeters, and the radius from here to here for us to produce this arc is 100 millimeters, and the radius of this arc is 6 millimeters, and for this arc it is 15 millimeters, and the radius of this arc is 140 millimeters, while the radius of this arc is 105 millimeters. So we are going to make use of all these dimensions to produce this given figure by applying the principles of tangent. So first of all, the first thing that we are going to do is to draw the rectangle. So as I said, that the length of the rectangle is 112 millimeters. So first of all, I will draw a horizontal line. So I draw a horizontal line like this. So then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line here. Okay, so here I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so this is okay. So I'm going to take a measurement of 112 millimeters. So 112 millimeters. So this is 112 millimeters. So I will make a point here. So that's the end. And I will also take a measurement of 25 millimeters from here. So this is 25 millimeters. So 25 millimeters here. So here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Here I will draw a horizontal line like this. Then I will draw a vertical line here to meet this, so that we can form the rectangle. So we have formed the rectangle now. So next thing that I'm going to do is to take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So from here, so from this end here, we take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters here. So then I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So I'm going to draw a vertical line, a vertical center line. So not actually a vertical line, so a vertical center line here like this. So I'm still need to extend this a bit. Alright, so with what I've done here, so the next thing I'm going to do is to take a measurement of 100 millimeters on this line. So that is from the base here. So from the base here we have, going to take a measurement of 100 millimeters. So from here I'll take a measurement of 100 millimeters. So this is 100 millimeters here. Okay, so I'm going to draw horizontal line from here like this. Okay, so that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take a measurement of 9 millimeters. So I take a measurement of 9 millimeters. So 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters here. So I've taken 9 millimeters. So I'll put at this point, and I will draw an arc. So I will first of all draw it partially, so that if there is any error I can easily erase. So that's it. So next thing that I'm going to do is that, so we have a semicircle here, so which radius is 8 millimeters, and it is connected with this. So I will take a measurement of 8 millimeters. So So 8 millimeters. So I'll put it. So I'll put at this point. I make an arc here. I have to take it easy. So I make an arc here. So that is 8 millimeters. So this same 8 millimeters I'll put at this point. At this point here, and it will touch this arc here. So I'm going to draw a semicircle from here. So this is semicircle, as you can see here. So the next thing I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to take a measurement of 140 millimeters for an arc that we are going to draw from here, that will be connected to this to this arc here. So I will take a measurement of 140 from here, 140 millimeters. So this is 140 here. So that's the center where I'm going to put my compass, the pinpoint of my compass. So this is 140. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to put, I can take 140 on my ruler, or I can just put the pinpoint of the compass at this point and extend to this end here. So I extend to this end. So I'm going to okay, so then I will draw this like this. Okay, so that's why, so I've connected this together like this. All right, so now, so with what I've done here, so the next thing I'm going to do is to take a measurement of 100 millimeters for an arc that goes like this. So if you look at the diagram, so let me show you the diagram. So I think we need to bring it one by one. So we have the radius of this arc from this point here, that is from this point. So the radius of the arc is 100 millimeters. So I'm going to take a measurement of 100 millimeters on my ruler. 100 millimeters. 100 millimeters. So this is 100 millimeters. Okay, this is 100 millimeters. So I'll put it at this point here. Put it at this point so it touches. Okay. So 100 millimeters. Okay, so this is 100. So I'll put it at this point here. So it touches this point. So then I will draw an arc. So I will first of all make it faint, so not really visible. So okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement of 105 millimeters. 105 millimeters. So let me, so this is the radius from here to here for this arc is 105 millimeters. So I take a measurement of 105 millimeters. So 105 millimeters. So this is 105 millimeters here. So we are still making use of this center here. We are still making use of this center. So I first of all draw it partially. So it goes like this. So it goes like this. So first of all draw it like this. So later I will make it thick. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement of 6 millimeters. 6 millimeters. Okay, so 6 millimeters here. So that 6 millimeters is the arc that connects these two parts together. So I just put it so somewhere around here, somewhere around here. So I want to blend these two parts together, so you may not see. So I want to blend these two parts together. So just put it just somewhere around there. It doesn't have one specific location. So I'll just, as long as you have taken that 6 millimeters, just put it somewhere around here. So I put somewhere around here. So I want to blend these two parts together. Okay, so we need to take it easy. Alright, so I think I can go like this. So this is it. Alright, so that's the part. So I've gotten that. So the next thing I'm going to do is that, so we have one arc here that connects this part and this part together. So how can we do that? I have to take a measurement of 15 millimeters from here. So 15 millimeters from here. So this is 15 millimeters. So I will draw a vertical line here from this point. After taking that 15 millimeters, I will draw a vertical line. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 15 millimeters from here. So 15 millimeters, this is 15 millimeters. So this point, so I'll just mark it like this. So I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters, so I'll just put it here. So put the midpoint here and extend it to where we have that 15 on this line here. So this is it. So I'll just blend this together. So this is it. So it goes like this. Okay. So just blend this together. So that's what we have here. So I also need to make this line, I have to make it a thick line. So I make this a thick line. Then, so this will be a thick line. So from here to here. And this will also be a thick line. Then, so this will be a thick line. So they have to be of the same thickness. So that's the purpose of doing this. So this is what I have here. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to make this thick so that they will be uniform. So I'll do that while I pause the video. Okay, let's see it together. So this is it. Alright, so and then I also need to make this a thick line. So from here, so I will extend it to this point here. Extend it here like this. Then, so I'm going to draw this. Alright, so we have that part. So I also need to make this more visible. I need to make this more visible. So I'm just adjusting it, so there is nothing hard about this. So alright, so this is how it should look. It's as simple as I shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing and God bless you.